Well guys, today is Derby Day. We're going to be loading up this car here in a matter of minutes. But you guys have seen me build this car. It's very stock compared to a lot of the cars I run. Like very stock. But you did see us, if you guys been watching my YouTube shorts, you did see the new shoes we put on it, the 17-inch dirt bike tires. I really don't think they're going to let me run these, but I'm going to try. Why not, guys? We're going to put air into that back one. We're going to bring our air compressor with us. We have to buy fuel on the way. We got to load up the truck right now. That right there is for a different project. That is a propane-powered fridge. So, we're just going to be loading some spares up here to take. And we're going to be bringing these. So, if you guys are in the Drayton, Ontario area, you can come to the show that I'm helping promote. The Mums Motorsports. I think the fair is actually throwing in extra prize money as well. I think we're almost at $5,000 in prize money. But, big shout out. Any of you guys watching my YouTube channel want to come to Drayton on August 13th, come and give us a watch. I'll be handing these out tonight at the demolition derby I go to called Listowel, Ontario. So thanks everybody. Let's get this tools loaded. Oh, is that the next project? Let's just keep going over here then. I don't want to show that yet. So Listowel is a heats and feature demolition derby. So what we have done is we have extra struts already packed inside of here. We got seat belts, we got a loop line kit already packed inside of here. But we're gonna need a ton of tools. So what I'm mostly after, what should I grab? I think I should, Milwaukee's got this deal on right now. You buy 2 batteries, you get a tool for free. So I got a brand new Sawzall. We're gonna take that. We're gonna take an impact gun. I think I already have one out. I tried to charge some of my batteries last night. We're gonna take you. We're gonna take you. We're gonna take you. We're gonna take you. So let's get some of this stuff packed up. Well, it's gotten to that time. We're going to do the first test drive on these new tire, pizza cutter dirt bike tires, and see if she drives on the trailer. Ugh. Okay, so I have a very tricky ignition system. I just twist these 2 wires together. We're going to turn the key on. Nope. Try it again. There, that's better. Nope. No power steering, so that's a bit different. Brakes are good. Oh, I don't like how it's doing that. Why is it doing that? Are you still a good fuel pump? I think you're a good fuel pump. I think she's running a little rich there, boys and girls. We're going to turn it off. Wow, this thing is not running very nice. We're gonna have to figure that one out. It idles. It's not one to drive. I don't think she's too happy. But you know what? I'm done caring today. No Karens today. We'll try to figure it out at the show. Maybe it's because it doesn't have any water in it. So maybe it's just being picky. I don't know. Well, we'll all load it up. I think, honestly guys, we're probably forgetting something. And we're going to find out about that when we get to the demolition derby. But as of right now, we're all loaded up, cars tied down, water's put into it. Dirt bike tires are on there, but I know they're going to make me take it off. And we are ready to rock. we are just going to be putting a decal on this, and then we're going to get ready to smash it. So thanks for watching, guys. This is going to be a little short video, but we'll have all the videos of the heat, the feature, everything coming up on Zach's workshop, so make sure you guys pay attention. This will be my first time running a 2002 and newer Camry. I believe this one's an 03, and it's got the motor I don't like, but we're going to see how this body does. I don't know if this is going to be a good representation of this car, though, because of how rotted it is, but it's worth a try. But we'll see how well she does. This is 100% bone stock. No notching, no pre-bending, no creasing. Just seatbelt the door shut and go. And yeah, we have factory rear bumper. We have factory front bumper. We have rockers deleted, and we're going to see how well this thing does. So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you stick around for the actual derby and the prelude. Take care.